Olax. Olax 4G LTE Wi-Fi USB router. I used a phone to change the default Wi-Fi password. Settings. Wi-Fi. Olax LTE. Password. Open. Open the device cover. Default settings. Wi-Fi key. Wi-Fi password. Capital C. 9 0 8 8. Capital C. 1. Capital F. Compare to check if entered correctly. Connect. Connected. Next, I log into the device management page. Google Chrome. Enter the device's IP address, 192.168.8.1. Olax's IP address. Go. Login password. Admin. User key admin. Login. Next, I change the default wireless password. Wi-Fi settings. Passphrase. Display password. This is the default Wi-Fi password. You set a new password in this box. New password. New password. Apply changes. Apply. Yes. The above are the steps to change the Wi-Fi password on the Olax 4G LTE Wi-Fi USB router. Wait for device to apply changes. Olax LTE. Delete saved wireless network connections. Connect. Password. New password. Connect. Connected. Good luck.